Ayan guys, magpapagas muna tayo dito guys, no? Kasi baka bukas may ride ako. Kaya sa ngayon pa lang ipupultang ko na para bukas sakali mang may lakad ako, at least diretso na guys, no? Alright. Oh,
things that we talk about, I might pop powder in my skin. And you don't need to spend another hour in the gym, you know I'm blind to fight his race. But when you found me, I was dim. We'll be counting out the years, yeah, I'm about this. All them dirty secrets that we share, I'll fill the blouses. The type of calling off the rears and show the houses. How you can be a woman and a boss and wear the trousers at the same time. Why as long as I'm alive and I'm supposed to bring the pride, you know there's power in the heart and then we come to make it right, yeah.
puno na. Okay na. So ayan guys, tapos na tayo nagpagas, no? At malamang bago tayo bukas magpapa change oil muna tayo bago ako mag-ride, no? Hindi ko pa alam guys kung saan ako pupunta. Pwede postpone, pwedeng hindi, depende guys sa sitwasyon. Abangan nyo na lang. Alright, ito presko pa dito dahil guys natatakpan yung araw ng mga building guys, no? Yeah, medyo malamig pa yung klima. Alright. Yan, no? Nung oras pa lang guys, 8:40 8 AM guys, no? Pero yung init guys, grabe na. Kumbaga sa dati excuse me guys, yung ganitong init na to parang sa yung tanghali na, sa pang alas 12 na init na to, sa ikumpara mo sa dati. Ngayon alas 8 pa lang. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang itong aking vlog. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. See you next vlog po, G Moto Vlog. Bye bye. Shout out po sa inyong lahat.